Welcome to class 4. This is your math class of session 2, chapter number 3, and name what is given? Large numbers. As in previous video, session 1, we have discussed and learned also how to form 5-digit number, 6-digit number and 7-digit number, and how to write that number into place value chart also, and how to write number in expanded form also, means in long form. But in this session 2 video, we will start and learn how to write large numbers into place value chart. Okay, let us see here. Here is a place value chart, shows the ones, tens, thousand, etc. in a number. Okay, a place value chart what shows tens, ones, tens, thousand and etc. and other number. It is divided into a number of periods. The ones period has 3 places. As you can see here, place value chart what shows ones period, thousand period, lakhs period, crores period. Okay, in your class till here only. And it is divided into number of period. The ones period, how many places have? 3 places. As you can see here, ones, tens and hundred. Ones can be written as O, capital O, tens, capital T, hundred, capital H. Okay, in ones period, how many places are? 3 places. Ones, tens and hundred. And other periods have 2 places only. Here you can see in thousand period, how many places? 2 only, 1000 and 10,000. In place value chart, 1000 TH and 10,000 TTH. Okay, and in lakhs period also, how many places? 2 only, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Got it? And crore periods also 2 only places, crores and 10 crores. It is represented capital C and 10 crore capital T and C. Similarly, lakh capital L and 10 lakh T L. Okay. Now, here is one example given how to represent these number into place value chart also. As you can see here, number is given 4532197. You can see here 987. It comes in ones period, 21 comes in thousand, and 53 lakhs period, and 4 comes in crore. So here 7 is coming ones place, here written 8 tens place, 9 hundred place, 1 thousand place, 2 thousand place, 3 lakh place, 5 10 lakh and 4 is as crore place. Okay, so simply firstly what we will do, write periods, then places, and then arrange the digit into columns, means as according to place, and always write digit from which one side? Right to left. Okay, here 7 ones place, 8 tens place. Look at the place of 100, 9 is given. Similarly, other number also. Okay, now let us see other number also how to represent into place value chart. As you can see here, other example, writing large numbers. What is given? 3,06,456. So firstly, make the place value chart. As I told you, ones period, ones, tens, hundred place. In thousand period, 1000 and 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, and crore periods, crore and 10 crore. Okay, so here you can see second step here is given. In lakh place what is coming? Digit 3. Okay, next 1000 place what is 6 only, because 10,000 digit not given. So here we will write 0 only. Next 100 place digit what is 4, as you can see here, and 56, and tens place digit what is given 5, and ones place is 6. Okay. So required answer number what is coming here, you can see here is coming 306456. Okay, here the answer is written in commas also. You know very well, in ones period 3 places. So here ones, tens, 100 after put comma, then after 1000 and 10,000. How many places? 2. After 2 places 1000 and 10,000 after put comma. Okay. Why we put commas? By these we can easily read the number. Okay. Similarly, next example also you can see. Here what is given? 73,209. Okay. So simply make the place value chart here as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, and crore, 10 crore. Okay. So here 73,000, you can see here 1000 place what is coming 73. So here 10,000 place it is 7, and 1000 it is coming 3. So 73,000, and 100 what is 200, tens place not given, so write here 0, and next ones place is 9. So 73,209. Okay. After completing ones period 902, here ones period is completed. So here comma also, as you can see here. By this we can easily read the number. Similarly, next example also, here see 65 lakh. Lakh digit what is given 65 lakh. Okay. And 2,000, 1000 place is given 10,000 not given, so here write 0, and 1000 place what is 2. So 65 lakh 2,000, and 100 place digit 4, and 10 what is given 1. Okay, and ones place not given here, so write here 0. So required number what is coming 65 lakh 2,410. Similarly you can do next part also. Okay. Now let us see the exercise after this. As you can see here, how to write the number into short form. So in exercise 30, question number first is given, write in short form. First part is 4 after how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0 are there. Okay. So it is equal 40,000. Otherwise you can count the place also, right to left, ones, tens, 100, 1000, and 10,000. So it is 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 9090 plus 2. It means it is coming ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, and 10,000. Okay. So simply write the number from right to left only. So here ones place what is given 2, tens place is 9, 100 place is 6, 1000 place is 2, and 10,000 place is 4 only. After ones, tens, 100, one period is over, then put comma here also. Okay. So required answer what is coming 42,692. Similarly B part also, here you can see 7 after how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0 are there, and after that 4 0, then 3, then 2, and then 1 0 only. Okay. You can do this question directly also, because 0 are decreasing in sequence. So here first digit what is given 7, then 5, then 3, then 1, and 7, and last is 5. Otherwise we can read the place also. At ones place what is given 5. So here write 5, and tens place is 7, 100 place is 1, 1000 place is 3, 10,000 place is 5, and then lakh place is 7. Okay, so required number what is coming? 75317. Now we will put the comma also. Okay, as I told you, in ones period 3 places are there: ones, tens, 100. Then put comma. First period is over, then 1000 and 10,000. Second period also over, so then here also put comma. Okay, then required name what will be? 7,53,175. Got it? Similarly we can do next part also. Here also, here is given 3 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 are given. 60 where will be? In 10 lakh. So it is equal to 30 lakh, and this is 6 after how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 6 lakh. Then after 40, it is 20,000, and 8,420 plus 1. Here also 0 are decreasing, so simply we can write firstly digit only here. As you can see here, first digit what is? 3, then 6, 6 after 2, 2 after 8, 8 after 4, and 4 after 2, then after 1. From right side also you can check here. Ones place is 1, tens place is 2, 100 place is 4, and 1000 place is 8, 10,000 place is 2, then lakh place is 6, and 10 lakh place is 3. Now put the comma also. Ones, tens, 100 after, put comma. Ones period is over. 1000 and 10,000 after also put the comma, because here 1000 period is over. So required number name what is coming? 36 lakh 28,421. Got it? Similarly you can do these other part also. These part will be as your homework, and I will give these part for your homework. Okay, let us see next question. What is given? Question number 2, write in expanded form. Okay, as I told you, firstly we will read the place, then write in long form is expanded form. Okay, as you can see here, first part what is given? 6, 7, 4, 5, 2. Okay, here 6 is given. Simply read the place from right to left. 2 ones place, 5 tens place, 4 100 place, 7 1000 place, and 6 is at 10,000 place. In 10,000 how many 0 are there? 4 0. Okay, so start from 6 only. 6 is given at 10,000, so 6 into 10,000 what will be? 60,000 only. Okay, so here write 60,000 plus 7 is given 1000 place, so it will be 7 into 1000, 7 and 3 0 are there, plus then after 4 is given 100 place, then 400 will be 400 only. Then next 5 is given at tens place, 5 tens, plus 2 ones, 2 into 1 2 only. Okay, otherwise we can do like this also. 6 is given, write simply 6 here, and 6 after 4 digit left, count here 1 2 3 4, so here write 40. Then after 7, write here 7 second place, 7 after 3 digit left, so write here 30. Then after 5 after 4 after 2 digit left, so write here 2 0. Then left here 5 after 1 digit left, so write here 1 0. Then last is left 2, so write here 2 only, and last no digit left, so write here 2 only. Okay, you can do like this also. Now next part is 7,84,295. We know very well 7 is given at lakh place. Okay, so here in lakh place how many 0 will be? 5 0. 7 after 5 0 will be 7 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, plus then after 8 is given. 8 after it is given 10,050 will be. Okay, so make your wait, again I am writing this here. See, 7 after how many 0? 50. As I have written here, plus 8 after 40 plus 4 after 30 plus 2 after, because 2 is given at 100, 2 0 only, plus 90 plus 5 only. Okay, as you can see here, left to right 0 only decreasing. Here are 5 0, then 4, then third one 3, then 2, and in tens 1 0, and last one no 0. Okay, similarly we can do next part also. Here is given 25,79,872. Here what will be? 2 is given at 10 lakh place, so 2 after how many 0 will be? 6 0. Okay, I am writing here 2 after how many 0 will be? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Plus it is long, so I will do downside also this question. 5, it is given lakh place, so 5 after how many 0 will be? In lakh place how many 0? 5. So make here 5 0. Okay, plus then after what is given? 7. 7 is given 10,000. In 10,000 how many 0? 4 only. So make here 4 0. And plus I am writing downside also answer. Next digit is 9. Here see, 9 is given at 1000 place, so 9,000 will be 9 and 3 times 0. Plus 8. 8 at 100 place, in 100 2 0 are there. And 7 tens place, 7 10 7 0. Plus 2. It is ones place, so 2 1s are 2 only. Okay, so required answer of this 25,79,872. Okay, it is coming here required answer. You can see here. Similarly, you can do other lefting part. Here this one part 1 2 3 4. These 4 part will be your homework. Okay, as I done these question first, second, third, similarly you will do these lefting the 4 part also. Got it? So till for today this is enough only, students. And which are other remaining part? Question number first and second of exercise 3rd, I will give these question as your homework. So do properly this question in your homework copy and do practice also. Okay, and next video part 4 we will start question number 3. So now thank you, students. Have a nice day.